Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are going to be making this very yummy and delicious no oven cookies. Here's a small preview for you for what the end product is going to look like. These cookies are just the right amount of crispy and they taste so divine. We are also going to be making the Percy Jackson blue cookies. They're so good. A little background story: the blue cookies were requested by my very beloved Yumna because Percy Jackson is one of her favorite characters and this person eats blue food only. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you're notified, and also smash that like button. Here's the process. We take 1/4 cup melted butter, melted at room temperature, 1 egg, now we whisk it all together real nice. It should be lump free, and if you do not have a whisk, you can use a fork instead. It's just going to work fine. Yep, the batter looks quite smooth to me. We are going to be whisking everything in part. We need 1/2 cup powdered sugar. Pour it all in. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla essence. Be careful not to pour in much. Now whisk it all together. Make sure you whisk the batter quite good. You have to mix it until it's fluffy. One cup all-purpose flour. You can go ahead sift the flour, that's up to you. 1 teaspoon baking powder. Half teaspoon baking soda. We'll whisk everything all together again. Take time while you're whisking your batter. It should all be lump free. This is how it should look at this point. We'll need 3 tablespoons milk, but we'll have to put 1 tablespoon first, mix it well, then use the 2nd tablespoon, mix it well, and then go for the 3rd tablespoon, mix it well. So we do this in 3 steps. Make sure you're taking enough time for the mixing process. I cannot stress on how important it is to get your batter mixed very nicely and just good. Yes, this is exactly how it should look now. We use 1 cup choco chips. Just go overload with the choco chips. Mix it all again. add a few drops of blue food color. Just a couple. The cookie dough will absorb the blue color and it won't be very blue in the first batch, but for the Percy Jackson cookies we are going to be making blue cookies, so we'll have to add more blue food coloring to the dough, but not this batch. This batch I want it to be a little brownish blue. This is how it looks now. The cookie dough is all ready. Cut the butter paper into the desired size and place it properly. See to it that there are no gaps. Grease it with oil or butter, anything you like. I just added 2 to 3 drops of oil. Now rub a few drops of oil on your palm so that the cookie dough does not stick to your hand when you try to make a ball out of it. Give it a little press and that's done. Place it on your baking tray. Make sure you leave some space between each of the cookie doughs because it'll need some space while the baking process is on for the cookies to grow in size. Now preheat a pan for 10 minutes. Make sure you place your wire stand inside and then preheat the entire arrangement. Place the baking tray. Place the baking tray inside it after 10 minutes and let it bake for 25 to 30 minutes. The most exciting part, the reveal time. It smells divine and it looks so good. The cookies look so fresh. Here are your cookies, they're all ready. Yummy and tasty cookies. We add a few more drops of the blue food coloring and we repeat the same process as before for the Percy Jackson cookies. We leave the arrangement for 25 to 30 minutes for the cookies to bake. And after that we have the Percy Jackson blue cookies all ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye. Take care.